Okay guys, welcome back to Nick's Kitchen and Garden. Today we are going to be doing what is called brown stew chicken breast, and this is how it is done Caribbean style, by Jamaicans all over the world. And we're going to use something called browning, grace browning. You can get this product at the international market. That's mostly where this is sold. You won't find it in your local supermarket. So okay, let's begin. So now we have about 2 pounds of chicken breast, washed and diced in small pieces. Then we put it into a container, and here we already have our onions, red and white onions with some carrots and different types of bell peppers, all different colors. I like my food to be colorful. And we're going to season this meat with all of these chopped up veggies. So now we are going to add some of the browning. You don't want to put too much of this browning. You want to just add just enough to give it some color, because that's what we're trying to do, give it some color. So you can put a little bit at first and rub it in, and if it's not dark enough, then you add some more browning to make it darker. But again, you cannot add too much, because if you add too much, it will taste bitter. And of course, you want to be wearing gloves, food safety gloves when you're doing this, just to prevent all that dark seasoning to be, on your hands. So I'm going to put a little bit more because it's not dark enough. And you have to just mix everything in properly, mix it in properly. Now that looks good, and now we're going to put some oil to be heated on the fire. You just add a little bit of oil. You don't want to add too much oil, just enough to get it going. So this, now we add some Caribbean seafood seasoning into this, and we're gonna add some garlic powder. And just a little bit of salt. Put a little bit of salt, just for now. We're gonna put a little bit of salt, because as we are cooking it, we're going to add water, and when you add water to it, as it dries down, you might have to add a little bit more salt. See, we're using allspice, ground seasoning, and also onion powder. So here we go. Now that the oil is hot, we're gonna put in this brown chicken breast, and we're gonna make this fry a little bit. So we're gonna stir fry it right now. That's what we're doing. Just stir fry. And after stir frying it, stirring it for like about a minute or so, then you're going to add a little bit of water. Right, there you go. So you stir fry it, and then you add a little bit of water to it, and then let it cook. And this can cook for about maybe 10 minutes or so. And there it is. It's looking good. It's looking really good. And then there we go. We add the rest of the seasoning. And there we're gonna add some onion powder to it, just a little bit, not much, because we want to keep the flavor in it, And there we are adding our allspice, and this is a really good spice. Makes your food taste delicious. And then we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt. Alright, just a little. And we are gonna have some cloves, like about 5 or so sticks of cloves. And those little round things that we add in it, it's called pimento. So we add cloves and pimento just now. And see, we add some water, and we're cooking it. And this is simmering down now. This is almost just about ready to serve. So it have some gravy in it, and you can serve this now with some rice. That's the finished product. So I want to thank you guys again for tuning in to Nick's Kitchen and Garden, and please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, and click the notification bell to get all the notifications when I upload more video. Peace.